Okay, well, this is my garden in London. It's not big, but hey, at least we have one. This is my little workshop here. So, again, not too much space, but it's enough for what we want to do with it. So. Okay, so the purpose of this exercise is I recently picked up pick locking as a hobby, and I'm going traveling tomorrow, and I have this lock that just won't open, so I'm going to make a very tiny little pick lock set. I would like to take these two with me, only much smaller. I'm going to make them from a hacksaw I had somewhere, so broke it in half, already made some tension wrenches from it. So first I'll start with sanding this down. So we won't worry too much about this little paint here. We'll grind that off anyway. So now the other side. Okay, so now we have the two sides clean up. There's no particular method I'm following. I checked on YouTube, and this is the first time I'm making these things. Some people make them from hacksaws, other people make them from knives and from wiper blade inserts. This was the one that I had or found in my home. I'm willing to try the other ones as well, but I don't have those yet. So this is the first attempt of making anything like a pick lock. So I guess I'll just try and trace out the design and then take it from there. Yeah, running. So let's try and so that's I guess a long flat hook. The other one I have here is a rather more shallower rounded off hook. Bought this Goso set. It's pretty good, but I don't know, still testing different things, so I'm gonna do the same thing here. Guess I'll keep the design the same. I don't know if this is the best material in the world, but we'll see. The tension wrenches were pretty good, so let's see how these work. Just grabbed this thing to prolong the lines on the design, but I guess this would make a pretty good pick or tension wrench as well. They're really inexpensive. I mean, these are, you know, 50 cents or something, pounds, so should be a good idea. So I guess we got the basic design here. I'm gonna start grinding. I think I'll cut them first, then I start grinding them. As you can see, I've got a little bench grinder here. 13 pounds, local hardware store, bargain. So I'm going to use a waterproof marker here to quench. Everybody who makes these things on YouTube talks about quenching, so I'm going to make sure that we cool the metal as we go, and yeah, we'll start grinding and see where we end up. always, 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 always use a pair of glasses when you work with metal, grinding and filing and whatever. You do not want to get one of these things, these splinters in your eyes. Tried to snip it off, didn't work, so I'm just gonna grind it with the half this in it with the Dremel. So a little safer. A little. So now we start grinding, I guess. 2 templates. Start with this one. I don't have any files, so I don't, well, miniature ones, but so I don't know how we'll finish those yet, but we'll get to that when we get there. So we'll start with this one. See what happens. Okay, so now we got the basic design. Let's see if we can fine-tune it a little with the Dremel tool. So I guess we have the basic idea. Turned out a little bit different than I thought, but hey, this is the first one I make, so not bad so far. I think I'm just gonna sand it, see if that smooths things up a little bit. It's pretty good so far, but let's see what we can do with it. KL, it's like the Dutch Army, Royal Dutch Army. It's a bit of a challenge so far, but I wanted to see if the pick was any good, and it would be awesome if I could pick it right now, but I've been trying all weekend to get this stupid lock, but I keep trying, I guess. I think this is okay. It's quite a shallow hook, so I might try and bend it a little steeper, you know. I wanted to make this, and although it's close, it's not entirely as steep. Although it's very close. Okay. That went easier than I thought. Just made it a little steeper. I'm just going to make this point here a little more tapered. But apart from that, I think it's pretty good. Doesn't look very nice, but hey, this is the first attempt, so okay, let's see how we can taper this a little bit. I think I'll leave it at this. I'm gonna try and pick this lock, so hopefully for my new location tomorrow, or the day after, or the entire week for that matter, I'll see if I can pick this lock. I got some pointers from some people on YouTube, so we'll give it a go. Thanks for watching this one, and yeah, hopefully see you next time.